Hello everyone! I'm happy to present you the first part of my Russian speaking course for beginners. If you are a complete beginner or a beginner who thinks that he or she will never learn Russian because it's a very difficult language, stop thinking that way and have a look at my course. It's made for you. In the first part of the course, you'll get 7 lessons. The core of each lesson is a dialogue. We'll start from basic topics like greetings, meeting new people, talking about yourself, your hobbies, your favorite food, your learning and working experience, etc. etc. You'll also get necessary information about grammar, pronunciation, and vocabulary. The most important thing is that from the very first lesson you start speaking Russian and not only listening to it. What you should know about the course. That's the first part of the course, and the second part is coming next year. But this first part is quite big. It consists of 3.5 hours of audio plus PDF version of it, 2.5 hours of video plus PDF version of it. And you will also get a special bonus, quiz at the end. The course is created by me. I'm a certified Russian language teacher with about 12 years of experience in teaching and learning languages. You will learn Russian language with 2 native speakers. That's me and my husband. So you'll hear both male and female voices. That's a great advantage of the course. All explanations are in English. Every Russian word is transliterated in Latin alphabet. So that's all I wanted to say about the course. Write me if you have any questions. Thank you very much for your attention and have a look at the course right now. Bye-bye!